Organic farming, I view it as being a carpenter with just a hammer and a saw. It's just all the tools that you think you would have in a modern day orchard are taken away, and you have to think through it in a much more proactive manner. We put extra effort into organic farming because it's the right thing to do for the planet, for the consumers. It's a way to interact with an orchard on a more personal level. When you walk into an organic orchard, you can hear it. You can hear the bugs, you can hear the birds, you can hear just so many different signs that an orchard is alive and well, and the fruit that's a part of it, it's just a part of a broader ecosystem, and so it's a fun experience. I think one of the coolest things about organic farming is the impact that it's had on conventional farming. The case of mating disruption for codling moth, for example, just letting off pheromones in our orchards, ended up being so successful and so much cheaper than spraying synthetic pesticides that it's now almost universally used around our industry as a way to control codling moth, even in conventional farms. Organic farming's hard. It's a combination of caring for the soil, caring for the biology, caring for the whole environment around an orchard that really makes organic farming so special.